Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing cold air blowing from your car heater when you need warmth the most, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the common reasons behind this issue and how you can potentially fix it. Let's dive in. The heater warms the air inside the car, making the interior comfortable for passengers during cold weather. It achieves this by using the heat generated by the car's engine. Let's discuss the reason why is your heater blowing cold air. 1. Low coolant level. One of the most common reasons for a heater blowing cold air is a low coolant level. Coolant, or antifreeze, is essential for your engine's cooling system, and it also plays a crucial role in heating. If the coolant level is too low, it can't circulate properly, leading to cold air blowing from the heater. 2. Faulty thermostat. Another culprit could be a faulty thermostat. The thermostat regulates the flow of coolant to the engine. If it's stuck open, the engine may never reach the optimal temperature, causing the heater to blow cold air. Replacing a faulty thermostat can often resolve this issue. 3. Air in the cooling system. Air trapped in the cooling system can also cause your heater to blow cold air. Air pockets can prevent coolant from circulating properly. Bleeding the air out of the system can solve this problem. This process can be a bit tricky, so you might want to consult your car's manual or seek professional help. 4. Heater core issues. The heater core is like a small radiator inside your car. Hot coolant passes through it, and the blower motor pushes air through the heater core, warming it up before it enters the cabin. If the heater core is clogged or leaking, it won't function properly. Flushing the heater core or replacing it can be necessary to fix this issue. 5. Faulty heater controls. Modern cars use electronic or mechanical controls to manage the blend of hot and cold air. If these controls malfunction or the blend door actuators fail, the heater may not mix the warm air correctly, resulting in cold air. 6. Water pump issues. The water pump is responsible for circulating coolant throughout the engine and heater core. If the water pump is failing or not operating correctly, it won't move the coolant efficiently, leading to inadequate heating. 7. Clogged or dirty air filters. Air filters that are clogged with dirt or debris can restrict the airflow into the heating system. Reduced airflow means less air passes through the heater core to be warmed and blown into the cabin. 8. Blower motor problems. The blower motor pushes air through the heater core and into the cabin. If the blower motor is malfunctioning or not working at full capacity, it won't push enough air through the heater core to warm the cabin effectively. 9. Cooling system leaks. Any leaks in the cooling system, including the radiator, water pump, or heater core, can result in low coolant levels and poor heater performance. 10. Failed blower resistor. The blower resistor controls the speed of the blower motor. If it fails, the blower motor might not operate at the correct speed, reducing airflow and heating efficiency. Understanding why your car heater is blowing cold air can save you from discomfort during cold weather. By checking the coolant level, thermostat, heater core, and other components, you can identify and fix the issue. If you're not comfortable performing these checks yourself, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic.